Sky Loft introduces a generously sized tent, rising to the height of a car above the ground. Measuring about 11 feet by 7 feet, it comfortably accommodates up to 5 people in its 2 separate rooms. With a cozy 4.6-foot height, there's plenty of space to stretch out, and you can divide the sleeping area into 2 rooms for added comfort. Enhanced airflow is provided by 4 large mesh windows and breathable fabric, maintaining a pleasant climate inside. The tent can be set up lengthwise or across your vehicle. It offers remarkable views with weatherproof see-through roof panels, mesh windows, and a full-size roll-up transparent door. Once assembled, it remains manageable with folded dimensions of 65 by 57 by 6 inches and a weight of 108 pounds. Ideal for stargazing, the tent's back section provides a perfect vantage point in areas with minimal light pollution, offering captivating views of the night sky. Inflatable hangars offer a unique solution for swiftly establishing a home, requiring minimal manpower and no advanced tools. Utilizing pneumatic cylinders as the building blocks, these structures boast remarkable versatility akin to construction sets. Constructed from fabric coated with PVC, these cylinders interconnect via screw carabiners to swiftly erect a robust shelter. Further enhancing durability, a tent crafted from tough PVC fabric is draped over the hangar frame, fortifying its resilience against high humidity, up to 98%, winds up to 56 miles per hour, and temperatures ranging from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Clearly, this setup is engineered to withstand diverse weather conditions. Available in various sizes, these inflatable structures cater to both small and large groups, offering limitless configuration possibilities. From accommodating entire tent camps to crafting cozy living spaces within the pneumatic cylinder-formed walls and ceiling, the adaptability of these hangars knows no bounds. Chinee inflatable tents. Imagine creating a cozy living space with inflatable structures. For example, a rectangular inflatable tent that resembles traditional homes. Inside, you can set up all the essentials for everyday living. Made from PVC, these tents withstand various weather conditions. Some tents measure up to 59 by 59 feet, providing ample space for larger groups. Though setting up these tents takes about 15 minutes, they offer excellent weather protection. They can endure temperatures from minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping you dry even in rain. You can also repurpose uniquely shaped tents originally designed for other uses. For instance, a yoga tent might be smaller but can still comfortably fit several people. Despite its unconventional design, it uses materials that keep you dry and ensure the structure stays intact. Inflatable Igloo. Envision the possibilities of crafting nearly anything inflatable, like an igloo. Shifting from the complexity of construction to a portable living space, an inflatable igloo offers versatility. Making it airtight requires just a pump, though windy conditions might necessitate additional stability. These igloos come in various sizes, tailored to your housing needs. Considering a snug couple's haven? A smaller inflatable igloo fits the bill perfectly. Koala 7 offers year-round comfort, whether it's winter, summer, spring, or fall. Setting up is a breeze, taking just a few minutes with no strenuous effort. Once it's up, secure it easily with stakes, and you're ready to call it home, regardless of the weather outside. When it gets cold, set up a wood stove using the special chimney hole in the roof for warmth. Make sure there are warm sleeping spots and partitions inside, especially for shared occupancy. Crafted from water-resistant material, it shields against mold and condensation. When the weather clears, open numerous spacious windows to let in fresh air or welcome the sunshine. This adaptable tent, perfect for all seasons, comes with a $22,000 price tag, but additional features may be needed for certain scenarios, not included in the standard package. Kirra. The Kirra tent from HeimPlanet sounds truly impressive. Its unique triangular exoframe, which inflates rapidly, seems like a game-changer for quick setup. The innovation behind its frame, divided into multiple chambers for stability and repair ease, is intriguing. With around 45 square feet of interior space, it sounds like a comfortable shelter for a couple and their gear. The double wall structure offering waterproofing, tear resistance, and UV resilience speaks volumes about its durability. And the cherry on top? Easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for adventurers on the go. WiseTiger tent. The epitome of simplicity and reliability. Setting it up is a breeze, no need for fancy tools, just a pump. Inflate, secure the corners, a one-person job, taking a mere 5 minutes. Even caught in a sudden rain shower? Fear not, for its quick setup ensures you stay dry. However, simplicity doesn't mean compromising on quality. Crafted from water-resistant materials, it laughs in the face of heavy rain. Double seam seals and sturdy zippers add to its robustness. And comfort? That's covered too. Breathable fabric, screen windows, 2 doors, and ample mesh windows ensure constant airflow. Measuring at 140 by 81 by 78 inches, it comfortably accommodates 4, with space for belongings. Packed away, it shrinks to a compact size, easily stashed in a small bag for on-the-go adventures. Air Cruiser. Rooftop tents aren't exactly a novel concept, but when they're inflated rather than just unfolded, they become far more intriguing. To set up the tent, you start by removing the cover and unfolding it, just like with regular tents. However, here's where things get interesting. Instead of being ready to use, erecting an air cruiser requires an extra step, a simple push of a button on the built-in 12-volt air pump. Despite its compact size, the interior feels surprisingly spacious, with expansive windows all around and dual skylights on top, perfect for stargazing enthusiasts. The built-in memory foam mattress ensures you can enjoy the view comfortably without needing to leave your tent. What truly sets this tent apart isn't just its inflatable design and panoramic view. The creators boast that it's the lightest self-assembling rooftop tent ever. And it lives up to this claim, weighing in at a mere 93 pounds. Setting it up is as easy as a walk in the park. TentTube offers unmatched convenience with a setup time of just 60 seconds. This groundbreaking design relies on ingeniously shaped flexible tubes for swift assembly. Once fully inflated, the tent spans approximately 7 feet in length, 5 feet in width, and 5 feet in height, accommodating 2 to 3 people comfortably. It provides complete protection from external elements, with optional heating and cooling capabilities. Inside, it features convenient pockets, a central hook for hanging a light, and ample space for gear organization. Dismantling is just as effortless, folding into a compact, lightweight package for easy transport. Njordair Shelter. Primarily designed for the construction industry, also make an excellent choice for mobile homes. Quick assembly is crucial for construction sites, and these tents excel in that area. Featuring inflatable PVC beams for enhanced strength, a 26-foot tent can be set up in just 1 minute and 14 seconds, while larger tents may take slightly longer. This swift setup is beneficial not only for construction but also for casual campers who can have their campsite ready in mere minutes. Njordair mobile homes come in various sizes, starting from 20 feet and extending up to a spacious 46 feet, providing options suitable for any situation. The price varies with the size, with the compact 20-foot version starting at $597 and the larger 46-foot version priced at $15,708. The clever design ensures these tents remain secure even in strong winds. London Premium might look like a floating house at night from afar, but it's actually a tent securely fastened to a car roof. Originally not designed for car mounting, a few adjustments turn it into a cozy shelter atop your vehicle. Setup requires a sturdy platform and ladder, serving as entryway and support. The tent inflates in just 4 minutes, making installation quick and easy. Measuring 8 by 8 by 7 feet inside, it offers 64 square feet of space, comfortably fitting up to 5 people and their camping essentials, including a stove via the built-in stove hole. Sona's outdoor products are known for spacious wall and roof windows, and the London Premium model is no different, offering unobstructed views. The tent's waterproof, acrylic-coated fabric withstands winds up to 50 miles per hour and temperatures from -40 to +158 degrees Fahrenheit. Modus brings forth a shelter akin to a tent, yet its setup from Kirra proves invaluable for swift and effortless assembly. No need for fancy tools, it's simplicity at its finest. The focal point is the tent itself, swiftly erected with inflatable poles. While not spacious, it offers snug comfort and reliable protection for a lone camper. A cozy self-inflating mattress, complete with an integrated pillow and blanket with a zipper, ensures restfulness. An insect net adds further convenience, while its waterproof construction promises dry refuge during rainy spells and resilience against gusty winds. Complementing the tent is the fly sheet, easily installed and versatile in function. Beyond shielding from rain, it doubles as an additional protective layer and can even serve as a standalone hammock or tent porch. Portability is key, and the Modus system excels here too. Conveniently packed into a bag measuring 29 inches in length and 9 inches in width, it's ready for adventures on the go. Weathermaster. Tents have long been favored for creating comfortable living spaces outdoors. However, their inflatable models take this convenience to new heights, offering swift and effortless setup for a range of group sizes. A standout feature of Weathermaster tents is their inflatable poles, facilitating easy setup even for solo campers. With just a pump and a connection to the poles, the tent frame springs to life in moments. While setup involves securing the tent with pegs and ropes, it's a straightforward task that requires no special tools. The time required to set up these tents varies depending on the chosen size, available in options suitable for 4, 6, or 8 people. Once erected, Weathermaster tents provide reliable shelter, ensuring safety in almost any weather condition. Equipped with a rain cover and special fabric, they remain dry inside, while the floor keeps moisture at bay. Once the tent frame is inflated and secured, it stands firm against various wind strengths, including strong gusts. Habiton presents a revolutionary tent design, seamlessly integrated into the car's roof panel, enhancing aerodynamics and reducing height. This compact marvel eliminates the need for bulky containers, ensuring inconspicuous travel. Drive across diverse landscapes with ease, experiencing unparalleled freedom. Setting up is a breeze, with simple moves unveiling a host of convenient features for a comfortable camping experience. Ideal for laid-back travelers seeking adventure without compromise.